I'd like to just bring your attention to a simple logging program called HAMRS. It's at the website hamrs.app and it's available for the iPad and the iPhone here, also for the OS system, so Mac, Windows, Ubuntu Linux, and Raspbian for the Raspberry Pi. So I'm going to show you just quickly what it can do. It was only released earlier last week, so about 5-6 days ago. I'm going to try it on a Windows machine. I've got a Core i3 here. We're just going to save it again, just to show you in real time what it's like. So I'm running it on a Core i3 Intel 7th generation chip. It's not the most powerful laptop, and I've deliberately chosen this one so you get an idea. I'm going to run it in real time, everyone. Okay, so it doesn't take long though, as you can see. So okay, let's just start that up and I'll minimize that. Yes, now this is what you'll find. Windows likes to protect it because it doesn't know it, so unknown publisher. So just click on that and then run anyway. It's quite safe. It's caused me no issues. I'm reloading it on this one as well, so I know it works okay on this machine. So when it loads, it'll put an icon on the desktop, which is always useful. Here we go, not far now. There it is, there's the logo over here, so we'll just wait for it to finish. There we are, and we'll load it up. So the first thing I need to do is to put some information in, okay, to the profile. And because I've loaded this before, it knows that I'm G0GCQ, but I'm going to edit it anyway. So what you come up with when you first start it is this box. Call sign, name, choose either Spanish, Portuguese or English. Okay, and then you save it. Okay, the next thing you need to do is to come over here and choose a logbook or make a logbook. So I'm going to go to this side and I'm going to click on New Logbook. I'm going to call it Demo. I can choose a generic logbook. So if you go portable working, or maybe you want it in the shack and you're not doing parks on the air, then obviously the best thing is to choose generic. I actually go on parks on the air. I've got several parks, designated parks near me in Kent, so that's quite good. There will be other logbooks coming along. For me at the moment, parks on the air is very good. Okay, and on the right, you set up your, let's just put 7.200, 150 for the sake of argument. We're going to choose sideband here. My park, I'm just going to make one up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's me set up. I'm just about to start calling out on parks on the air, for example. And then my friend Colin comes along. And because I'd be connected to the internet as I am now, but when I'm in parks on the air, I'm also connected to the internet, it will do a little search and it will come up with here who that person is. So if I come out of it, it does the search. And of course it says Colin, their park, I'll make this up as well, 2, 3, 4, 1. Comments, Colin. It populates the date, it populates the time, but I've taken a bit of time because I did a bit of reading, so I want to refresh the time, so I just click on that and I can save. Now it just so happens that I go on to 14 decimal 150, let's say, which now goes to 20 meters, same other details, and guess what? I work Colin again. How remarkable is that? This time though, it's not 5 and 9, which is populated, it's 5 and 7. And he gives me 5 and 7. See again that it's populated up there. So their park was A2341. 341, still the same. I'll just refresh that again, and we'll say it shows me they've got a duplication, which for some purposes gets me extra points. And it also says the park to park because it's got their park number there. Okay, and lastly, if I just put in M0IKX, which will be Henry, I click onto here, and as I do that, it does the lookup. See, as I come out, Henry, their park. Funnily enough, they're just down the road from Colin. Henry is, so it's 2342. Just for the sake of argument, just click on here, and I'll save that. There we are. Now what I've got is I've got 3 on there. I can click on here. I can edit or delete each one if I want, which obviously I don't. Okay, it's automatically saved it. While I'm on it, I can edit my profile or create a new one. So if Colin comes to sit next to me, we can set up a new profile. It's very useful. So this could be a club laptop, for example. You've got some help about and support and requests. This is cool. This is cool. Okay, so let's see. Let me put in a call sign. Let's put in someone I used to be chat to all the time. Eddie. So there we are. Look up. There he is. Okay. I believe he's moved now, but there we are. That's the information. So that's cool. You can do lookups on anyone. And if we go to logbooks here, there's the demo, Parks on the Air template created there. And I've got 3 QSOs in it. And I click on here. I can delete it if I want, which I will later. I can edit it now, or I can export it, and therefore I can upload it into one of the other logbooks. Okay, so it's very, very good. It's very simple to use, and I just thought you might have not have heard of it. And if you haven't, well, now you have, and hopefully you'll find it useful. As I say, they are going to come out with some more logbook templates, which I think is going to be amazing. So fantastic, really good. Hope you enjoyed that, and I hope it's made it a useful tool for your box. Cheers, and happy Easter.